Hey, Petty Fam. I'm doing this one by request, okay? So, I don't know how all this happened. I don't know, but we're getting into this one by request. Clare and his mirror with the print. I don't know what to expect, y'all. I don't even know what to say, so y'all just bear with me. I think it's going to be a good video. Okay, let's get into it.
Let's talk about the mirror pic. Y'all try. All right, let's do it. Let's go to it. Yo, bro, I ain't know the mirror pic was going viral until this morning. My mom called me like, yo, what is this? Right? I'm about to show y'all that don't know, right? Hold on.
First of all, I mean, y'all be paying attention to stuff. Like, people be like all up in people's like background and stuff. Like, really? I mean, out of all the things going on in the video, that's what y'all notice. That's what y'all notice. Okay. And how y'all know? How do y'all know? Because to me, it's like, you know, Queen should be the only person to be identifying stuff. But I don't know. I'm gonna watch the video.
Let's see. She'll be crying. It had me and Queen crying today. All right. So, right? So yesterday we got a package, right? Yo, go to mirror is crazy. Yo, hold on. Chill out. Cause I'm mad y'all think it's my print though. Hold on. First of all, I hope it's not a print. That's my, let me say that. I hope it's not a print, but let me just go through everything.
Yeah, I really hope it ain't either. Cause like, huh? Question mark? Put like a little question mark over my head. Like, I don't know. Like really? Like, wait.
Just so everybody's on the same page. So we get a package yesterday, right? Hold on, let me go full screen. So we get a package yesterday, right? We ordered a mirror. You know what I'm saying? Restoration, babe. She probably went outside. Restoration hardware. You know what I'm saying? Good mirror, big mirror. You know what I'm saying? With the arc on the top. You know what I mean? Arc on the top. Boom. We got a package yesterday. You know what I'm saying? 2 men bring it in my crib. Take the plastic off. Take the wrapping off. There's a film over it gets taken off. You know what I'm saying? So it can't be them. You know what I'm saying? Came in a big ass box with plastic bubble wrap all over it and a whole like screen protector that they had to peel off. You know what I'm saying? So this is a brand new mirror. Mirror got here yesterday. What's the first thing I do? You know what I'm saying? Me and Legend chilling, fly as usual. Boom.
As usual.
Pick. You know what I'm saying? Pick. It's not something that you could really tell in person. Like, you can't see it in person. Like, you can't see the print on person, right? You can't see the print on person. But in the camera, like in the picture, you can see it very well. Like it's almost an invisible dick print. You know what I'm saying? Like, I hope it's not a dick print though. I feel like it's someone's side of the hand. Like I just did. For someone to put their dick on my mirror, it would be OD. You know what I'm saying? But like, let me explain. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about, just so everybody's on the same page. Look.
Yeah, I need to get up to speed, Claire, because I did not see that. I heard about it. I got the request or whatever, but like, huh? Like when would that happen in reality? Like, what? What? I don't even know why somebody would need. What?
Let's see. So right here, me, right here, fly. Legend, right there, fly. Right here. I don't know what that is, gang. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like,
right. It looked like something on the wall versus on the mirror. I don't know. They'll let me know.
It do look like Like, yo, bro, like, I had to really look at it too. Like, yo, what is that? Like, what is that, gang?
Who is that tall? You know, you gotta be kind of tall for that. Am I right, y'all?
Pause the story. I gotta pause this whole story. Yeah, like, was niggas slapping dick on this mirror is my question. Like, I'm ready to call Restoration Hardware.
Clutching the pearls, clutching the pearls. Like, what? It's like, like, how do you return that? Like, what do you put on the sheet? Like, I'd like to return this because
I'm ready to call him. Like, it looked like it has a nutsack and all of that. You feel me? Like, I'm only 5'10", gang. Like, I would have to be this tall for my dick to be on the mirror.
Thank you. That's what I'm saying. Like, you really had to be that tall. Like, that's my whole point, Claire.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I would have to be this tall to have my dick on the mirror doing some freaky shit. But I'm not gonna lie. Y'all niggas got it. Y'all niggas fucking got it. Y'all niggas got it, bro. I seen someone say in the comment section, I seen someone say him and Queen was fucking on stilts. Yo, I was screaming like someone, like, what do you... Like, I hate y'all, gang. I still haven't cleaned it off. Like, I still have it, like, because I really just noticed it this morning, and I came immediately and got on live. But y'all niggas got it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like, the internet got it. Like, y'all don't, nothing misses y'all. Nothing misses y'all. Y'all missed the story? All right, let me say it again. Okay, let me go back. So, yesterday, we got a mirror, right? We got a mirror in the mail. We ordered a mirror months ago. As y'all already know, when they delivered it the first time, it broke. Niggas, the delivery niggas broke it right in front of my door. So they had to take it back, and then the mirror's on back order. So then we had to order. Had to order another one. It took about another 3 weeks to come. Right? It comes yesterday. 2 niggas deliver it. 2 Spanish niggas deliver it to my house. They bring it in the crib. I tell them exactly where to put it. Boom. It comes in this big ass, huge ass box. Like, it takes 2 niggas to carry it, right? It takes 2 niggas to carry it. Boom. They carry it in my crib. So this is what I'm saying. It can't be them 2 niggas. It can't be the delivery niggas because it was in a box, wrapped in bubble wrap, like twice, with tape all over it. And it had a screen protector. Bro, if you missed the story, pay the fuck attention right now. I'm telling it. It had a screen protector.
Claire's so petty. He like, I'm not gonna tell this the third time. Like, I need y'all to go back. I need y'all to look through the comments or something. I mean, watch this video when I'm finished. Like, Claire, his nerves bad. He like, look, I'm gonna tell this one more time. This is it.
Where they had to peel it off. They had to peel the fucking film off the mirror. You know what I'm saying? So it can't be done. And I'm really hoping niggas ain't have a menage a trois on my mirror. You know what I'm saying? Because, like, that mirror is very expensive. Restoration Hardware is a very expensive store. And if niggas is fucking on my mirror in the warehouse before they give it to me, that's a problem. You feel me? I'm ready to call Restoration Hardware and ask, yo, what's up? You feel me? There's a whole dick print on my mirror. Is niggas fucking on the mirror? Do you get what I'm saying? Or is this a used mirror? I hope it's not a used mirror, because I bought it brand new. Bro, the mirror is about 12 feet tall, gang. Like, it's so tall, gang. Like, it's fucking tall. Like, again, let me explain to you how, like, bro, I would have to be up here, gang. Like, I would have to be this tall. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, I'm only 5'10", gang. Colorina with the 5 gifted. Appreciate you, gang. So, like, now I'm wondering, is niggas putting their beef on the mirror? Like, yo. No, they donated me 5 subs, gang. Hold on, I'm telling this.
Queen, I love her so much. You know how you do, like, you know, even when I'm filming sometimes, you know, it's always somebody at your house yelling about something, right? It's always happens. So Queen keeping it at 900. Like, she's like, look, bruh. She said, I tried to text you, I tried to call you, you ain't picking up, so I'm just going, yeah, like, what's up?
Story, bro. So now I wake up, right? Armand texts me. I'm gonna go through it. Because I didn't notice it all day yesterday, right? Armand texts me this morning.
Shout out to Armand. Hey, bruh.
Bro, what is that? That's what he texted me. What is that? What's up, Dada? What's up, Dada? What you doing?
Legend. Hey, Legend. How you doing, sweetheart?
You're trying to look at yourself. The camera's right here. You're not going to be able to look at yourself. And Daddy's telling the story, though. And you got Cheetos on your mouth, gang. All right, Daddy gotta tell the story. What you need?
To put the wheels on.
All right, ask Mommy to help you with the wheels, all right? Daddy's telling a very traumatic story right now. Okay. Yeah, so, you know what I mean? Like, and then it's like, I hate for, like, my son to be in this picture. You know what I mean? Because it's just like the dick is hanging right over his head. It's like right over him. You know what I'm saying? Like, luckily, I wasn't. All right, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Like, how do I zoom in, gang? Like the dick is hanging right over my son's head. That's a problem. Like, what if we would switch? Like, what if he was on this side, I was on this side, the dick would be on my head. Like, the print would be on my head. You know what I mean? Like, where that's violation now. Like, that's violation now. Now you're trying to violate me, and I don't appreciate it. You know what I mean? So, we're going to get to the bottom of this, and, like, I'm trying to think, like, what else that could be. Like, what do you think that could be? Like, cause bro, I'm almost 98% sure that's not a dick. Cause like niggas is not just running around putting dicks on mirrors. Well, at least I hope not. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it could be like a nigga's side of their hand, maybe. Like, I don't know, bro.
I think you're right, Claire. I don't think that's what that is. I don't know what it is. And I'm glad to know now that it is on the mirror and it's not on the wall, because I thought it was on the wall. You know, like maybe some rain or something came through and left a mark or something. But I'd be a little concerned it's on the mirror and you don't know what it is. And like, maybe it was a smudge of some sort, like you said, like if they was taking the wrapping off and they put their hand up there and maybe it had some grease or something on it. I don't know.
Yo, Marcus, shut the fuck up. Yo, someone said you got your mirror from Dick's Sport. Yo. They said we got our mirror from Dick's Sport.
The play on words. Y'all petty. Y'all are so petty.
Let it go downstairs. garage. Go get it. Yo, Dick Sporting Goods got it, man. I'm not gonna lie, y'all niggas got it. Y'all really the funniest niggas. Y'all niggas. Yo, bro, and then the funny shit is I seen somebody on, because I think Hollywood Unlocked just posted it, right? I seen someone say Queen and Clarence was fucking on stilts. And another person was saying another person said they was on the ladder getting crazy. Like, I can't believe, like, y'all niggas is stupid. Like, y'all got it. I'm not gonna lie. Y'all niggas is silly, bro. Like, you can't get it. Like, the internet just always wins. Like, but what is that, though? Like, it's really this part right here. It's like how this part breaks up and it makes a perfect, like, kind of head, which is wild. You know what I mean? Like, on the ladder is crazy, Marcus. Like, that's fucking wild. You get what I'm saying? Like, niggas ain't fucking on ladders. Like, we some freaks, but we ain't that freaky, gang. We ain't Matt and Jeff Hardy. Like, niggas ain't going up the ladder to have sex, bro. Like, that's just not happening, but... I don't know what position that would be. I really don't. Yeah, they think I'm on my Tarzan shit. Like, I don't know what, you know what I'm saying? But I do enjoy the humor. Like, I really had a crazy laugh this morning. Me and Queen both was just crying. We was gonna troll and put it like, be like, damn, babe, I should, like, we was gonna troll, but this shit is mad funny, though. But, yeah. We about to, yeah, the dick on the mirror is crazy. I thought that was crazy too, gang. I didn't know when I posted the picture. I should have known too, bro. My story views was at 500K. I usually get around 200, 300, maybe 200, 2 something. My story views was at 500K. I'm not the nigga to look at my DMs. I don't check my DMs. My request shit, I don't check them. Because it's too out of hand. So, like, I ain't know until Armand wrote me this morning, bro. Shit had me crying. Nigga said, bro, what is that? I said, nah, shit look like a dick. Deadass, like, word for word. I said, shit look like a dick. What? Man, bro, what the fuck that shit, bro? I said, funny shit, that shit was delivered yesterday, too. Nigga said, hell nah, that's new? I said, yeah, bro. Nigga said, man, we gotta beat them niggas' ass, P. They wild as fuck. Yo, they got it, bro. Nah, we fuck around, still troll the world. You know what I'm saying? Because niggas, that's 500,000 people. There's only about 700 people in this live. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, bro, go to Hollywood Unlocked. Matter of fact, we're going to go there right now, bro. We're going to go through the comments right now.
Thanks, Claire, because you saving me from having to go look. Because I was like, I ain't seen the Hollywood Unlocked thing.
It's too high up. There's no way. Right. That look like a dildo print. It's big, y'all. He told me. I'm going to need him to take a quick pic in gray sweat so we can confirm. What position is that?
Y'all out of line. Y'all is out of line. Don't be asking that man be doing nothing like that. That's disrespectful.
It's too early, Chili. It's a dick. Just in case y'all wondering, someone did a nude headstand against the mirror. Yo, look, she def got mad at him one day and threw her dildo, and that shit hit the mirror and made an impression.
Seriously?
Yo, bro, Queen don't got no dildos, gang. Yo, I hate y'all niggas, bro. That looks like the side of...
I hate them too, y'all.
a palm, you perverts.
Thank you.
Oh, him and Queen was having fun. Look, what they was what was they on? A ladder? Stilts? Like, yo, bro, I hate niggas. I really do hate niggas. Yo, Pete, niggas delivered my mirror yesterday with a dick print on it, gang. Niggas is trying. Yo, that's dead ass. Like, if you a supporter of mine, bro, you know I haven't had that mirror. Like, we got a mirror yesterday, gang. 2 niggas delivered my mirror in packaging, bubble wrap, tape. You know what I'm saying? Tape. I watched them unravel it, cut the tape off. You feel me? So it gotta be warehouse. This is a warehouse nigga dick right here. There's gotta be a warehouse nigga dick. So now I'm lost. Like, now I'm lost on what to do. Do I even want the mirror? I don't want.
The answer to that question is no. And don't y'all be going to the warehouse trying to find dude. I'm playing.
Mirror. Matter of fact, hold on. Wait, where we got this mirror from? This is restoration? Rejuvenation? What is that? What's their number? I'm about to call them. What's their number? Rejuvenation?
My price point ain't up like that. Like, y'all need to sub or something for me to order from that. I don't even know what that is. Like, y'all go ahead, let me know what else they sell. Like, they just sell mirrors that's like refurbished to something. Like, they high end according to what Clare said, but what they doing will use mirrors for.
Rejuvenation is wild. Niggas is fellowshipping with their dick out now. At Rejuvenation. That sounds like a church.
Claire, sir, Mr., you get carried away. Don't do that. Don't do that, sweetheart. No.
Rejuvenation.
Today.
How you doing? Is this the Rejuvenation in Atlanta?
It is.
Okay, I have a little.
Please be making sure you got the right person, because you really just can't say this to whoever answers the phone. Like, what if you call somewhere and they got the wrong number? You dial like one number wrong, and it's So I'm glad he checked. Cause
I have a question.
What's your name?
My name is Clarence.
Hi, Clarence. I'm Faye.
How you doing, sir?
How can I help?
Okay, so yesterday there was a mirror delivered to my house.
Okay.
It was like the big arc one with the kind of angle at the top. And when it was delivered, right, I didn't notice it yet until I took a picture in the mirror. But it seems like, I know it's gonna sound funny. It's gonna sound really funny, but it seems like there's like a dick print on my mirror.
Huh?
Yeah, that's what I said. I know.
Her reaction, she's like, huh? She's like, I was not expecting that.
I know.
They come in a box and they're sealed.
That's what I'm saying. I watched them.
That way.
Yeah, I watched them. It comes in a box with bubble wrap and tape.
Yeah.
So I know it's not the delivery people.
It's not been touched. Yeah.
So it hasn't been touched. So I'm just trying to wonder what this is. It's like, I'm a social media guy, and it's like going viral on the internet. So it's like, Did
you call customer service and tell them?
Can you give me the number to customer service?
Sure.
Yes, please. Yeah, we got to get to the bottom of this.
It is
Okay. 1900. Okay.
And give them your order number, and they can help you from there, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. I'm sorry for...
She's so professional. First of all, let's give her a petty fam clap. Like, she just kept it cool. She's probably get all kind of calls. Y'all, you know what? Y'all be nice to those people that's on, like, customer service lines and they be answering calls, even in the chat, because they be dealing with some wild questions.
For all this.
Okay. That's okay. All right.
Thank you for calling Rejuvenation. Your call may be monitored or recorded for quality and training purposes.
You gotta get to the bottom of this.
I see what he's saying, though. The way they said rejuvenation, you would either think it was like a spa or something versus like a place that sells stuff.
Please let us know why you are calling. You can say track my order, inquire about a product, furniture order, trade sales, trade services, or customer service.
Dick on mirror.
Sorry, I didn't get that. Let's try something else. To track an existing order, say track my order, or press 1. To inquire about a furniture order, say furniture order, or press 2. To inquire... I'm sorry, I still don't understand. To track... Please hold while I transfer your call.
Hello, and thank you for calling Williams-Sonoma. My name is Victoria. How can I assist you today?
Okay, how you doing, Victoria? I have a question.
Good, how are you?
I'm okay, and this is gonna sound really weird, Victoria, but I'm kind of just thrown off a little bit. So yesterday I was delivered a mirror. You guys, big mirror with the arch on top. You know what I'm talking about? It's like a circle.
I think so.
Yeah. So it was delivered, right? I didn't notice it at first, but there's a a penis print on my mirror. It looks like. I know this is gonna sound weird. I know, like, I'm not trying to. It just.
No, I completely understand.
Yeah, like I'm kind of taken back. You know what I mean? Like, I know it's not the delivery people. I watched them unpack it out the box, out the film. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it came in a box, so I know it wasn't like, I'm not trying to get anybody fired or nothing, you know. But like, it just
right.
there's a print on my mirror.
Okay, let me take a look at it for you. Would you happen to have the order number associated with the mirror so I can take a look and see what I can do for you?
Yeah, I can probably get that for you. Hold on.
Perfect. So, petty fam, do you think they gonna take the mirror back, or they just gonna tell them to wipe it off? Like, they're like, but the mirror itself, is it like a crack in it or something? Like, can you put gloves on and just like get rid of smudge or something? Like, you know, or they think they gonna order him another. We gonna see what this customer service is about, y'all. We gonna see what the customer service is about. And like, you know, this is a free promo if they do it right, right?
What's the order number?
It's just us, y'all. Us in the empty chair. You see, he real big on the rugs, you know. I know that's all designers. Y'all know who all these people are. Put those in the chat, because I don't know. Y'all know me, I don't know all this. It's way beyond my thing. But yeah. I like the little sunshiny one. And kudos to him, because I want some of those YouTube plaques. I can put them back here on my wall right here. So y'all just go ahead, up the subs, up the likes, up the comments. Let me know what's up. Hey MH, I know you watching. Love you, girl. And anybody else, feel free to comment. Let me know. I shout y'all out in the video. Did y'all hear about Clare doing like a podcast? I can't wait for that. That's gonna be so fire. What's in that case? Do y'all want to see that?
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna replacement item for it. Give me just a moment while I work on that for you.
Oh, that is a good place. They gonna replace it. Okay. Okay.
And does it look like it's almost like a stain on the mirror? Like
I don't. It's not a stain. Like it's not really a stain. It's just kind of like a print. Like I don't know how to explain it. It's like it looks just like a penis. Like I'm not like I know that sounds funny, but I can send you guys a picture if you guys want.
Sure. Actually, it's okay. I will. I'll do the replacement. I'm gonna put it as a scratch damage on there, so you'll see that. But that's just what I'm gonna put it under because I don't know that. I don't know what else to put it under. Give me just a moment.
Okay.
All right, customer service. Okay, thinking on your feet. All right. So he gonna have the third try at the mirror. He had the second try. First try, he said it broke. Second, we got the print. And then the third try, hopefully they get this together and they're careful bringing it in and got no smudges. Get him a brand new one. Ship it directly from the warehouse that it was manufactured at.
She said, yeah, matter of fact, I'd rather not. I'm gonna get a free mirror game.
Alrighty. So I'm just gonna get this replacement finalized for you as well as the pickup. So it's going to be a pickup upon delivery. So what we'll do is once we have the item and we're getting ready to schedule it for delivery, we're going to just do it all in one trip. We'll pick up the old one and we'll be delivering the new one for you.
Okay, that sounds good. I appreciate that.
Of course, yeah. All right, so give me just a moment while I get this finalized, and then you should be receiving an email confirmation in regards to the return as well as the new order replacement number with more tracking information as well for you.
Okay.
Okay, and then I'll be able to tell you in just a moment what that new estimated delivery day is going to look like. So it's looking like between November 9th and November 15th, we'll be able to get that scheduled and that new one picked up for you.
Okay, sounds good. That's fine.
Alright, perfect. Well, is there anything else I can do to assist you today?
No, that's all.
Wonderful. Well, I hope you have a wonderful day today.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Babe, we're getting a new mirror. She don't care. Anyways, that's how you handle business. That's how you stand on business. You know what I'm saying? Because, like, bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Niggas ain't ordered the you know what I'm saying, the Glock 3000 mirror. We got a new mirror.
Babe, are you for real?
Babe, there is a dick on this mirror.
Babe, I don't know.
What does that look like? What does that look like to you?
It is what it looks like, but I just think that, you know how sometimes like there's a cloud in the sky and it's shaped like something?
This is not a cloud.
I don't think so. No, I'm saying...
This should be a brand new mirror. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, it should be sparkling. Don't you think? It should be clean. No one should have touched it.
No, it was in a box. Like, it was like, I don't know. Like, unless they like fogged it up with their breath and then made a penis. Ooh, was I not supposed to say that?
Nah, you good.
Like, I just don't know. I don't know what that is. Like, but a new mirror? Like, so like, are we gonna keep this one? I hope they don't come and take it back. Like, that's too much.
No, I think they're gonna swap mirrors out. Yeah. Like, just boom, boom. Simple.
What did you tell them?
That there is a penis on my mirror.
What did she say?
She was laughing. And then I asked her, do you want me to send you a picture? And she said, no, I'd rather not. What else could that be?
A tail? A pig's foot? Look.
She getting it real. It could be.
It could be a pig's foot.
We get a new mirror. That's all. All right. So I'm glad we handled that. Hollywood Unlocked is mad funny for this. The comments is hilarious. I already know it's going viral on Twitter. Okay. It's handled.
Hey, Queen. Good job, Claire. He got that taken care of.
It's handled. Bro, you can't see it in person. Like, you can't see it in person.
I did. I went downstairs. I seen it from one angle, but not.
Yeah, like, you gotta get up on it. Like, you gotta kind of get pause. You gotta get under it and, like, really see it from, like, an angle, kind of. But, like, on the camera, it's like...
It's really giving Mandingo hanging.
It's right over Legend's head.
That's insane. I'm not gonna lie, that is. But you didn't see that?
Bro, I did not see that until this morning. Anyways,
Somebody's stupid.
what?
Somebody said a ghost.
It's a ghost. Like some scary movie shit.
Ghost penis.
Yo, alright. We're about to get into these reactions. Now that we handled that. About to get into the reactions real quick. Alright.
So when they said they gonna deliver it. But you know all we had to do was just clean it off, right? We didn't have to get a brand new mirror. We could have sprayed.
I'm with you, Queen. That was my thought too. But I guess you know some glove and cleaning stuff. But at least they gave it to them though, because you feel kind of some kind of way, like unknown substance on your stuff that's supposed to be new, and they paid a grip for it.
So you want a mirror that someone's dick been on?
Man, that's not a penis.
Man, what if it was though? Why can't we just get a new mirror?
It's not though.
Bro, we paid for a mirror, a clean mirror.
No, we didn't pay for no clean mirror, babe. We paid for a mirror. Sometimes they come in the box, like you gotta wipe it down and things like that.
I'm not wiping that down.
I could have wiped it down.
You're not wiping it down either. You're not touching another man's dick. Like, that's not happening. You're not cleaning another. That's gonna stay there until they pick it up, and then they're gonna swap them out. You're not cleaning that. Don't let me catch you. Don't let me catch you cleaning dick. All right.
What?
All right.
I can't clean the mirror.
All right. I'm telling you, that'll be the end of us. You clean that dick. All right.
The end of us if I'm cleaning the mirror.
If you clean, you could clean around it. But when they pick it up, they need to see why they're picking it up. I'm gonna tell them.
Y'all, he said he's gonna break up with me if I clean the mirror.
Come on, let's start it. All right. So yesterday, you guys, did I stream yesterday? No, I streamed the day before yesterday. You guys said that Bruce and Kai.
Queen is still looking like, really? But now he get called, so now he got to make sure they see it, because they going to be thinking he had made this whole thing up for the scream or something.
Or beefing or something. I had no clue. So we're about to do that. I want to see that. I like, not that I like messy shit, but like, you know what I mean? Like those are clickbaitable YouTube. You know what I mean? That's going to go crazy on YouTube.
Petty.
They going to take a long time to deliver that mirror.
Now they said beginning November. What they said, chat? I don't even think you heard. Like November 5th or something, like November 4th. That's like 2 weeks, a week. So Yo, I'm not muted. Who's muted? Aaron Snipes. You turn your volume up. But yeah.
Alright, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care, click the bell, become part of the Noto Squad.